The Rapesco 4400 Power Punch. This high-capacity, heavy-duty 4-hole punch uses hollow punch technology to effortlessly punch up to 150 sheets. Punch boards should be rotated every 30 to 50 punches. Spare boards and cutters are always at hand in the convenient storage drawer. Changing both the punching cutters and the boards will keep your 4400 in the best condition. Emptying its confetti tray is quick and easy. The Rapesco 4400, making light work of heavy-duty hole punching. Visit rapesco.com today.